This evening, we have a special report on the wide-scale impact of bauxite mining on one Manchester community. Details in this report.
Empty houses and silent streets in the community of Harmons in Greenpond, Manchester, a shell of its former self as the roars of tractors and trucks stripping the earth of bauxite replaced the sounds of the people that once lived here. But as bauxite operations thrive, elderly couple Arthur and Beverly Johnson say they struggle daily to cope with the noise.
Sometimes I have to go out here, so sit down, I want to sleep, I bow down my head on the veranda here. I cannot lay down in there. For some of the truck, them they look like they back down, lap down, and when they get the dirty and them a drive off here, bow, bow, bow.
And dust.
I never suffering with my chest yet. I have, you ever eat parch corn, sir? And you, as picnic days, and it can't choke you, I so down here so feel. So even my very food, me can't eat it as me take if you eat it in here, so come in like fire burn out down in my chest here, so I cannot eat it. All me know is just a run and go away, like when you have sinus, and then they suck me hand and going.
My mother was a person that was selling her fish to the car right down there. Both dad and mad go and sell their fish. And from Bauxite come to Greenpond, my mother is just another place like this.
But the Johnsons say bauxite company Jamaica has offered to pay medical compensation once they submit proof from a medical practitioner that bauxite mining has caused health issues. They showed us discolored water they say is unsafe to drink because of the mining operations, but Jamaica says it trucks potable water to the area weekly. Now, Mr. Johnson says his fruit trees, which he earns from, are also badly affected by the bauxite dust as well as his house.
My house top a rot now, because if you notice, you see it's a two different zinc upon my house top. Me have to buy zinc, 8 foot, 16 feet zinc, put on the house top, because the bottom one part leak under the dust.
Jamaica says, along with the Agriculture Ministry, it will investigate the claim of damage and pay the necessary compensation. It adds it will also use other experts to investigate claims of property damage and make payouts once the couple makes a formal complaint. But with all their neighbors relocated to facilitate bauxite mining, the Johnsons' relatives are concerned for them.
There is no shops anymore within this area. No neighborhood or anything like that.
If we don't come and bring up a pan of water, they cannot carry it up.
I agree, say well then, if they come to me and move me and pay me up for my house, give me a piece of land, me could take out what small fruit tree me could take out and go plant it on the land. That me can have something to eat in my older days.
But Jamaica insists it can only offer temporary relocation and says it has explained this in several meetings with the couple. The bauxite company says it doesn't need to acquire the Johnsons' property because it is not located within the area that's currently being mined. But a relative argues that some of the mining is too close for comfort.
They would have been mining in front of the property right now, and they already did mining behind the property, which is not reclaimed as yet, meaning the hole is still open, right? And some are owned by the side there.
Jamaica says land reclamation will be done in a timely manner so that farming or resettlement can happen in the area again. In the meantime, it says the Johnsons have rejected its offer of dust and noise compensation, insisting only on permanent relocation.
Little papi show money where me don't accept. I know I don't look panic because I know that in my intention.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.